Welcome to the Investing Podcast, presented by Tusk Media. For a quick audio and video check-in on the stock market, here's the Stock Market Power Lunch.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the Investing Podcast. This is your Stock Market Power Lunch. We're glad to be here. It's kind of a crazy day, raining like you would not believe right now. Just got absolutely soaked. If I was more flexible, I'd put my pant legs up here so you can see my ankles and how wet they are right now just from walking over. But you guys are in luck. I'm not that flexible. Anyways, we're glad to be here. It's Wednesday, July 6th, 2016. We missed this morning. Just crazy day, busy. And now we're facing some technical difficulties, microphone issues. So I'm having to use this thing, mainly just holding it so that I can drop it later. So that's going to be a pretty cool thing to stick around for. So make sure you watch this whole episode and listen to it all. Thanks for being here. Thanks for subscribing, all that good stuff. Market. Fun day. Had a little bit of what we call a check market this morning, where market kind of sold off slowly and then has rallied back. We started at a PM meeting at around 10:30 this morning, and all the portfolio managers got in one room, so 5 of us now, plus intern Austin, and the market was down like 70 basis points. It's now up. Right now it's about 12:30, so about 2 hours later, kind of rallied and is up. So some data points for you there. The Dow is up 13 basis points. That's 0.13%. S&P up 23 basis points, so a little bit less than 0.25%. NASDAQ up 56 pips. Global Dow down a little bit, almost 1% actually, so down quite a bit. Gold up 62 basis points. Oil up 45 basis points. So interesting day there. We do have a couple leaders for you to talk about. CarMax up more than 4%, so strong data there. We always talk about auto sales figures and things like that, but CarMax having a really strong day. They've had a really volatile year so far with the nation's largest used auto dealer. It's been a crazy year for them. I think a lot of people are paying attention to things like interest rates and the rate of lending for people who are looking to purchase automobiles, and they're also looking kind of down the barrel of really strong new car figures. We had really strong new car sales numbers last year. We're continuing to see strength there. In some regards, as you go maker to maker, still relatively strong compared to history. So CarMax is kind of in a unique spot. It'll be interesting to see how they play out over the next couple of years. CELG also up about 4%. One data point to take a look at: online job ads fell quite a bit in June, fell like 200,000 something listings. And I guess there's two ways to look at this. The market and a number of experts that I've seen today have commented that this is probably a negative side for employment data in June. But part of me says, well, maybe just everybody got a job and maybe every position's been filled. We at Narwhal have recently hired a number of people, so we're not posting as many jobs online. So maybe that's part of it too. We'll keep an eye on that. That's just my rosy tinted glasses taking a look at this market as it storms down outside. We do apologize again for the microphone issue. Hopefully this is somewhat audible. We will be back later. We might have the microphone issue fixed. We might not. You better hit subscribe to find out. Y'all have a great afternoon. Stay dry out there. Talk to you soon.
Tusk Media is a subsidiary of Narwhal Capital Management. Ratings and reviews of Tusk Media content are not to be construed as endorsements of opinions, analysis, or services offered by Tusk or its parent company. The opinions and predictions shared here are our professional beliefs at the time of publication. We are not under duress from any of the corporate entities mentioned. This is not a solicitation to take any particular action. Although we are investment advisors, this information should not be considered investment, legal, or tax advice. We strive to be as impartial, insightful, and accurate as possible. We base our opinions, analysis, and calculations on information we believe to be reliable, but we cannot guarantee its accuracy. We can, however, guarantee that our opinions will sometimes be flat out wrong due to a variety of factors. Employees and clients of Narwhal Capital Management may or may not hold positions in the securities detailed and may or may not hold these positions in the future. A full list of all securities purchased, sold, or held during the 12 months preceding the date of this publication can be provided upon request. Unless otherwise noted, all data accessed via MarketWatch or the Bloomberg terminal. Past performance does not guarantee future results. A copy of Narwhal's Form ADV is available at the SEC's website, www.advisorinfo.sec.gov, or from Narwhal upon written request.